Are you ready to streamline your clinical note writing with Nookal? Let me show you how to create, amend, and link clinical notes to your clients' bookings in just a few quick steps. In Nookal, we recommend creating a clinical note directly from the client's booking in the diary to ensure that the booking and note are linked. To do this, open the appointment window and click Clinical Notes. This will take you directly to the client file and into the associated case. Next, select your preferred clinical note template. You can create as many clinical note templates as you need by navigating to Manage, Clinical Templates. For this example, I'll be using the default SOAP note template. Once you've selected the template, start entering the relevant details for the consult. This particular clinical note includes field types such as text fields, multiple choice, and charts, but there are many other options that you can choose from when designing your templates. You'll notice that there are symbols and snippets that can be quickly added to the note to save you time. Snippets can be created and modified by navigating to Manage Clinical Snippets. If you need to save the note but haven't finished it yet, you can save it as a draft. The draft will appear at the top of your clinical note area for that client, and once you're ready to finalize the note, you can select Finalize Note at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, finalized notes appear on the right-hand side of the screen, alongside other historical notes for this case. You can also view notes from all cases for this client by selecting this option. You'll notice a few small icons on the right-hand side of the note, so let me quickly walk you through their functions. First, the Copy to Current Notes option allows you to duplicate an existing note and then edit if required. This is especially useful if you accidentally finalize a note and later realize you need to make some changes. Next, the Move Delete option lets you relink a note to a specific booking in the diary, a different client, or a different case. This is helpful if the booking and note weren't linked correctly in the first instance. Lastly, the Pin tool allows you to mark a note as important, keeping it at the top of the clinical notes list and also turning it green. You can unpin the note at any time. Also from this page, you'll have the option to print or email a list of clinical notes. Finally, if you have linked your clinical note and appointment together correctly, you'll notice the appointment details show at the top of the clinical note, and you'll also see this indicated on the booking in the diary where you'll see a small clinical note icon. This means that you can quickly skim your diary at the end of each workday and know that each appointment has a note written for it. As you can see, clinical note writing is quick and easy in Nookal, so get started today.